Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Andres, ano suporta binibigay mo as a love team? Diba? Ano suporta binibigay mo kay Astin? Kasi nga just recently, may mga natatanggap siya hindi magagandang comments. Now that may movie na naman kayo, may first movie yung kayo, check na mas marami kayong matatanggap na hate comments and everything. Ano support binibigay mo? Pag mayroong ganun sa
Kami ni Ash naman, we support each other din kasi, you know, she's my partner dito sa project nito. And kahit sa Mutya, we've been supporting each other. Close din kami, diba? We're close friends and, diba?
Hindi pa ba?
You know, so we support each other, you know, we're nice to each other, we're friendly to each other, and parang we just help each other out.
Ano naman ang nararamdaman mo sa pag-suporta ni Andres at yung pagtatanggol sa iyo ng Viva? At ano ba yung ibinabato sa iyong intriga para masaktan ka?
Wala naman kasi ako kay Andres, sobrang thankful din ako kasi malaking bagay din po yung may mga friends ka na mapagkakwentuhan, ganyan. And sobrang thankful ako sa mga taong willing po talaga makinig. And sa tungkol doon, parang wala lang po, natatawa lang po ako kasi kapag siguro kung totoo siya, masasaktan ako.
Buti naman din. Hayaan mo lang yung mga basya na yung mga haters mo, di ba? So after this, kaya magkain laban na kayong dalawa.
Ano po yun?
After filming this film, siyempre with Direct Jason, marami kayong mga romantic scenes together. After this, magkailangan na kaya sila Direct?
Sila lang ang makakasagot.
Sagutin nyo ha? Patayin nyo sa...
Ako naman, si Ash she's my partner dito.
Parang nag-stutter kayo. Parang nauutal ka.
Di po.
Hindi pa ba? Sige.
Yun nga, sasabihin ko nga si Ash, you know, we support each other talaga from Mutya and now sa Minamahal with Direct, and you know, parang we're very professional with each other talaga, and you know, we know what's right and what's wrong, and we work well together. Yun ang importante talaga. And si Ash is also amazing to work with din, kaya yun.
How about you, Ash?
Ayun po, pinaprioritize po talaga namin kasi ngayon yung work, and sobrang thankful po kami sa mga blessings na natatanggap po namin. Kaya kami, mas gusto po talaga namin mag-focus po sa work.
Kay love naman siya.
Oh?
Kay love.
Ulit yan.
Kay love, di ba?
Siyempre naman.
Di ba? Di ba? Hindi masama, di ba? Good luck, Kyrie, movie lang yun,
Thank you. That was June Nardo of Marites University. For our next question, we have Ben Nabus of Marites University and Hata.
Yes, hello.
Hello po.
Yeah, good afternoon. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Eto na yun. Sa iyo pala. First question ko sa inyong dalawa ni Andres and Ashley. Magiging, ito na ba yung sign or a signal na officially love team na talaga ang Ashley dito sa Minamahal? Kasi, di ba, ang fandom, let's admit it, ang dami-dami mga talo-talo, diskusyon, away-away kasi sinasabi nila hindi pa official. Will this make the love team official between Ashton and Andres?
Para sa amin naman, I don't recall or I'm not sure paano nagiging official yung mga love teams or ganun. Pero as for now, ang alam namin is, you know, we're working together and we were blessed with the opportunity to, you know, do another project instead of Mutya now with this. So, parang we respect each other very well, and you know, it's great to work with Ashton. Kaya yun.
Ashton, your take?
Ako ganun din po. Sobrang thankful po ako and sa lahat sa nabibigay na project po ngayon. And if ever man po na magkaroon si Andres ng ibang work or ganyan, I'll be here pa rin, supportive pa rin po ako sa kanya.
Paano niyo tinitake yung mga overzealous na mga selosong mga fans ninyo? Kasi gusto makita kayong dalawa lang. Yung iba naman gusto makita sa iba naman. So, how do you handle this kind of
Well, yun nga, for them, that's for them to decide and all. But the point is, the reason baka they act that way is maybe because it's out of love, of course.
Correct.
Siyempre, diba? Yun yung point yun, parang it's out of love because they care for us so much and we care for them din and we appreciate talaga yung support nila sa amin.
Ashton, ikaw din sagot.
Ay, sorry. Ako ganun, same lang din po kay Andres. And lagi namang, siguro may iba-iba pa rin po kasi talagang opinion yung mga tao. May gusto.
Especially yung fans, yung mga supporters niyo.
Ganyan, opo. And siguro mas pinipilit na lang din po namin intindihin yun. And so syempre at the same time, thankful din po talaga kami kasi alam namin na ganun sila kasi mahal nila kami.
Mhm. Kasi yung iba sobrang nangingialam na eh, no? Yung sobrang, yung kaya nagdidictate. Anyway, direct question ko, kasi naging formula na sa mga love story, mga young love na ganyan. Yung mga kwento, rich boy meets a poor girl or vice versa, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yung may mga conflict sa family. Without giving too much, ano po yung maaasahan namin dito dahil kayo rin ang nagsulat? At yung mga bagong touch, kumbaga, sa henerasyon ngayon na puro social media na po tayo.
Dahil ang sabi ko kanina, yung mga younger generation kasi ngayon, hindi sila parang, hindi puro dulo ang pag-ibig. Ang mga kabataan ngayon, fini-figure out nila paano pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-ibig without sabotaging or abandoning yourself. Dapat yung pag-grow mo as individual, hindi siya masacrifice just because pinupursue mo yung love. So, itong mga ganitong bagay yung gusto kong i-capture dito sa pelikula ko. Walang hindi siya yung pelikula na merong kontrabida, merong bida, hindi. Yung characters ko, wala silang moral high ground. Because as young people, yung characters ko, di ba, pwedeng nagmamahal sila, pero it can transform into something toxic. Di ba? So, what I want the audience to see in this movie is how love can be something beautiful yet messy. So, yun, parang ang mas goal ko dito is makita ng mga tao yung journey ng dalawang characters nito while navigating through life with all their traumas, with all their fears in life, with all their ambitions. Parang gano'n.
And since malaking bahagi yung bulaklak dito sa story mo, may mga particular kind of flowers ba dito na i-highlight sa story ng love story nila?
Well, pinaplano pa namin, pero I'm asking my production designer kung pwedeng mag-prioritize ng mga indigenous flowers para ma-promote din naman. Kung ano man yung mga indigenous flowers natin, mga waling-waling. Para diba, meron din tayong konting ambag sa lipunan.
Correct, tama. Last question, kay Andres. Kasi kumakanta, magandang boses. Maaasahan ba natin o maririnig ba ng mga manonood nitong minamahal yung singing voice ni Andres? So magiging part ba na may kantahan or harana something dito sa movie na to?
Maybe. No, well, tingnan natin. We'll see. Tingnan natin. Surprise na lang. Tingnan natin.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. Thank you, Jane. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Ambit Nabus of Marites University and Hataw. But before we proceed on to the next question, I think kailangan mo na mag-CR ni Ashton. But we'll wait for you.
It makes this film parang a perfect launching vehicle for the two of them.
I think it's perfect to launch them kasi galing nga sila sa hype ng Mutya ng Section E, which is larger than life, medyo caricature, pero guilty pleasure siya ng marami. So, parang tinitignan ko siya as a possible next step sa career nila. Diba? Parang instead of doing the same thing, this project will allow them to explore, more mature themes, and therefore yung acting nila mas mapipiga. Kasi grabe yung acting range na kailangan ng pelikulang ito. Like for example, yung character ni Andres, from loner, magiging sad boy, magiging boyfriend material. So, ayun, perfect ito kasi parang malulaunch sila as serious actors independent of their characters sa Mundiana section.
And Andres, how do you feel about that? Do you think that with the experience you've had so far, na yun nga, you are now parang ready or equipped to make that next step?
Of course, there's still many things that I have to learn din kasi bago pa din ako, and there are a lot of things that I do want to learn talaga, and I do believe that this is the next step in not only improving my skill set as an actor, but also overall like in the industry and at work. So this is gonna serve also as a learning opportunity talaga, and getting the opportunity, like I said, to work with Direk, who's gonna guide me. Yun.
Pero how are you finding acting showbiz so far? Do you see parang are you at the point where you can say na you want to do this long term or you want to do this more seriously?
Hello, yeah. Okay, definitely yes. In terms of acting naman, you know, I want to improve my craft. I want to really show people talaga that I can act and that I have range and I'm versatile enough to portray these roles that are, you know, polar opposites. Like coming from a character that is Kiefer, that is a lot louder and larger than life, now turning into this character that is Rafi, who's a lot more quiet and more conserved with himself. It's definitely a switch and a big leap that I want to show, and I think it will be able to parang show the acting range that I would like.
And you think yung character mo ngayon, do you feel like mas closer siya sa real personality mo, or?
Actually, alam mo, nung nag-pitch si Direk ng project, after I read the script, I was really thinking like, alam mo, parang this character, si Rafi na to, it's super close to how I am as a person. Parang I used to compare it to when I was back in high school. Yung character na si Rafi na super quiet, he's reserved, pero parang he's invisible but he's there. I don't wanna spoil too much din, but
Kasi na wala pa kasi si Ashton. But sabi kasi ni Direk kanina, yung nakikita niya sa chemistry niyo, it's very organic. Parang iwanan niya lang kayo sa isang lugar. And it's the same that we see on screen. Pero kayo ba, when you're just left alone, parang ano yung mga bagay na pinag-uusapan niyo? Ano ba yung mga common interests niyo that you think allows you to connect with each other?
I think maybe we talk about a lot of things set on work. Usually naman about work kasi we're on working, diba? Kaya yun, parang we're able to bond naman in a lot of things, and we have a lot of similarities there, and yun nga.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. That was Alan Policarpio of Inquirer. Up next, we have Erwin Ogawa of Anong Ganap.
Hi Andres, hi Direk. Congrats sa new movie. Okay. So kay Andres, na-mention niya ata siya sa budget niyo sa press ko na workshop siya ng daddy kayo. Ikaw rin ba workshop ka, acting workshop ng dad mo?
Ako naman, hindi masyado po kasi parang when he doesn't like directly workshop me or kahit si Tash naman. Pero if we ask him din na, Dad, sa tingin mo, anong pwede dito sa eksena nito? Parang may insight din siya talaga, and he knows from his experience din. So it's nice to have another opinion din sa sequence, diba? Sa eksena, sa attack ng scene, and yan. So it helps. Pero di ko naman sasabihin na when workshop niya ako, like, kasi talagang hindi.
So singit-singit lang, okay. So since connected sa Bulaklak to mga movie, when was the last time na nagbigay ka ng flowers sa isang girl? When was the last time?
The last time I gave flowers was actually dito po sa dito din sa Viva Cafe, yung fan meet namin ni Ash.
Parang kay Ash din.
Months ago yun sa Mutia po. Yung time na yun. Parang may video ata yun sa online.
And ilang months na rin kayong magkakilala, magka-work together ni Ashton na gano'n nyo nakakilala ang isa't isa? Anong pinaka-best description mo ni Ashton? Best description?
Kay Ash, yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina na wala siyang kaarte-arte ng kahit ano. Marunong din siya makisama sa kahit sinong tao, and sobrang mabait si Asha kahit sino naman yun. And she's very, very thoughtful din for the other people around her. And yun, mabait siya.
Thank you and good luck sa movie.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Erwin Ogawa of Anong Ganap. Up next, we have Miss Ana Pingal of Pika Pika.